Everybody's always asking, how do I make money online? How do I become rich? Well, I got good news for you. You're going to be able to fly first class wherever you go all the time, whether it's a big old city with skyscrapers towering everywhere, or to the middle of the mountains with a beautiful lake. We are going to give you the financial freedom just from your laptop. That's right. All you have to do is fulfill orders and talk to customers every once in a while. And it's totally just a pipe dream. Let's open the door for you and explain a few things about dropshipping that most people don't. As promised, here is one of the first things that dropshipping gurus will not tell you when they're giving you their whole spiel about why you should buy their course about dropshipping and why you should start today to become financially free. And one of the big things that they don't focus on is shipping times and shipping costs. Now I'm over here in AliExpress, which for those of you who don't know is one of the big providers for inventory for dropshipping stores, and AliExpress has problems with shipping. So here's just a trending product that multiple people have launched in stores off of. It's some massage gun. And if you go over here, you'll notice that the estimated delivery time is October 31st. Now, who's going to buy something that they can't get for over a month? Then you may think you might be able to change it, which there are providers who will be able to do a shorter shipping time. This is just one of the examples I found. But look at these prices for a shorter shipping time. For October 11th, which still isn't a great time, you're at $67.87. And there goes your profit margin right there. Most gurus like to skim over this and say, oh, well, you just need to find the right shipper. Well, I wish you luck and find someone who can compete with Amazon Prime or with anyone else, going to Walmart and just buying it there. It hurts your profit margins, and people don't like buying stuff if they have to pay extra for shipping, because you could offset it by maybe adding an extra $20 shipping. But 53% of online shoppers won't actually buy something if they don't get free shipping. So right away, you'd lose 53% of your customer base in an already competitive market. So that is one thing that Shopify dropshipping gurus don't tell you about very often, is the crazy shipping times and shipping costs. The second big thing that lots of dropshipping gurus like to skip out on telling you while they're trying to get you to buy their course is the huge amount of competition, how saturated the market is. There are hundreds of thousands of dropshipping stores created every single day. Now, I'm not saying that dropshipping itself as an idea is dead, but it sure isn't the walk in the park that lots of people say it is. The fact is, when you're creating a dropshipping store, you either need to come up with a brand new product that no one's ever sold before for it to pop off, or you need to be better at everything than everyone else is. Or you could just drop the price of the product by a ton, which cuts into your profit margins. To outperform, let's say, for that massage gun that there's probably 50,000 stores already out there, someone might be selling it for $80. You'd have to either sell it for $75 to beat them, or you'd have to spend more money on marketing to beat them, or you would just have to be better at the entire process than they are. Lots of gurus like to say, oh, there's tons of opportunity out there. Dropshipping is a $500 billion market, which is true. It is a $500 billion market. But the $500 billion market has already been created. And there is still room to succeed in dropshipping, but an average of 4% of people who start a dropshipping store make it to the point where they can do a full-time living off of it. 4%. That is a very small number. And it's just getting more and more competitive each year with the people sending out TikToks. They're sending out Instagram reels going over and over and over and over how to build a dropshipping store and promising you success. How many of you have been scrolling through TikTok or going through YouTube, and then you get this inspirational little video of some person in their 20s, or maybe they're 17 or 19, and they're driving their $180,000 car. They get out of it and they're walking on the beach, talking about all they have to do is log onto their computer every morning and fulfill orders as they live their dream. I know I've gotten a ton of those advertisements, a ton of those videos, but is it really as easy as they say it is? Like, is it really you just have to wake up every morning, you've made $100,000, you click fulfill order, and then you move on? Well, that is another lie that the gurus like to tell you. Dropshipping is not easy. It's not a walk in the park. It's not something you do just for kicks and giggles. You don't just spend 10 minutes a day fulfilling orders. First off, to get to the point where you're actually fulfilling orders, you have to spend hours upon hours and hundreds upon hundreds or even thousands of dollars doing marketing campaigns or doing affiliate marketing or getting ambassadors, which is just copy and pasting messages in Instagram over and over again. You got to be building your social media following to hope to drive traffic in the future. You got to be responding to customer inquiries through your support email.
You got to be fulfilling the orders, which takes a lot of time in and of itself. You got to be coming up with discount codes. You got to be monitoring your finances. You got to be sending out email blasts. I mean, the list of stuff you got to keep doing is nonstop. So the dishonesty that a lot of people have by saying this is an easy process is what leads people to spend, $500 thinking they're about to become financially free, but then not getting there. So basically what I'm trying to do with this whole video is just give you a quick and easy representation of what dropshipping actually is. Dropshipping is still a very large market with a lot of potential. There are people who make hundreds of thousands off of dropshipping every year. 20 some odd % of all online shopping is done through dropshipping stores. So obviously it is a market. The only reason I made this video was to try and tell you just 3 of the big things I've noticed from my experience that all these gurus didn't say when they showed you their new car, and they showed you their nice apartments, and they showed you their nice first class plane tickets. They like to tell you all the money they make and how easy it is, that way you buy their course. And I'm just trying to tell you that it's not easy. You're gonna have to work your butt off to make the money, or at least make enough money to the point you're actually profitable. And it is a very competitive market that you don't just get to jump on, half-ass it, and expect $100,000 every month. So if you found any of this information helpful, smash that subscribe button, leave a like, comment. I'm going to be doing more of these videos in the future, just debunking different side hustles. So stay tuned for that, and let's make some money online.